Happy morning student. Today we are going to see the plant physiology. I hope you all are active in this class. This is our new lesson. Today we are going to start a new lesson. That is the third unit in your biology lesson. Here a plant physiology. A physiology in the introduction parts itself we are explaining. No, a physiology which means to study about the function. It's to study about the functions of an what? Both animal and plant. Here what is our lesson topic? Plant physiology. So we are going to study the plant physiology, plant functions. Here they are having some of the functions. Okay, for an example, food prepare pandra, that is a major function to that is a photosynthesis. And next one, they are giving a storing of a glucose in the form of a fruits, that is also a major functions of a plant. Here animals and plants. All animals and plants are moved from one place to another place, right? First you have to take the animal. Here animal move, first major purpose is food. Based on that food they are moved from one place to another place. Food தேவைக்காக ஒரு place இருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு மூவ் பண்ணி போகும் இல்லைங்களா. And next one for an shelter. Based on the shelter, if they are having so much of rainy season, rainy இருந்ததுன்னா அதுக்கு தேவையான நேச்சரை தேவையான ஒரு ஷெல்டர் ஏரியாவை நோக்கி போவோம். இல்லைனா so much of sunny இருந்ததுன்னா தேவையான ஷெல்டரை நோக்கி போவோம் இல்லையா. Based on the shelter, just animal are moved from that. And next one, reproduction. Here reproduction purpose also, animals are moved from one place to another place. And here have you ever observed that plants also showing a movement? For an example, leaves. Here leaves of Mimosa pudica. What is the name for the leaf? Sorry, Mimosa pudica. Here a Mimosa pudica, which means that is the touch me not plant. So touch touch me not plant. What will happen when you are going to touch the plant? They just close the leaf surface. Leaf enna pannidum, just close pannidum. After a few minutes just they come to the normal portion. So they are also showing a movement. And not only that, whether you have seen that Helianthus annus. What is a Helianthus annus? Sunflower. Okay, here Helianthus annus is here a sunflower. Yes, a sunflower also showing a movement based on the stimuli, that is the sunlight. Sunlight base பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணும், just showing that movement from here and there. Suns இங்கே இருக்குன்னா அதுக்கு நேராக எங்கே அதோடைய stimuli directions இருக்கோ அதை நோக்கி sunflower இருக்கும். When they are goes there, here also just they are bending their body சன்னுடைய டைரக்ஷனை பொறுத்து just they are showing that body movement. Okay ma, this is the what sun is a external stimuli. So external stimuli பொறுத்து plant move பண்ணும். For an example, நம்ம வீட்டில் டெரஸில் ஒரு பிளான்ட் வச்சுருக்கோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. பிளான்ட்டில் மணி பிளான்ட் வச்சுருக்கோம்னு வச்சுக்கோ. அப்போது அதோடைய க்ரோத் பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா, சன்லைட்டை நோக்கி அதோடைய க்ரோத் இருக்கும். அப்போது who's a stimuli to be there? That is a sunlight, right? Based on the sunlight, just they are growing to the sunlight directions. Same like that here also, a plant showing a movement. They are just a response to their whole bodyயும் bend பண்ணி அந்த stimuli நோக்கி grow ஆகும். Based on that stimuli, they are having some types. They are given a name of a trophism in plant. Trophism. What is a trophism? A trophism in plant. A trophism, which means growth. Here a growth of a plant based on the stimuli. Here who's a stimuli to be here? They are having some types of stimuli. There is a types of trophism and stimuli. Did we see the types? Trophism. Types of trophism, and the trophism எதை பேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னா ஸ்டிமுலியை பேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கும். Okay, let me see that one by one. First one, we are having the phototrophism. What is the first one? Phototrophism. And next one, we are having the geotrophism. And third one, we are having the hydrotrophism. And fourth one, we are having the thigmotrophism. And last one, we are having the hemotrophism. So this is the 5 type of trophism. Here that is also a stimuli, comes under the stimuli. How? Let me say. First one, they are given a phototrophism, right? Phototrophism. Photo, which means that is the what ma? Light. Photo nale light. Trophism, which means growth. Growth of a plant based on the light. We already said an example to that sunlight. Same like that here also. That is a phototrophism. And geotrophism, that is the gravity. What is a geotrophism? Gravity here, a trophism, which means growth. Based on the gravity, just they are growing a plant body. That is the geotrophism. And hydro, water. A growth of a plant based on the water surface area. Okay, and next one, thigmotrophism. Okay, a thigmo, which means touch. Touching the land surface area or some plant body, they are growing to that based on the direction of a plant or based on the direction of a terrestrial area. Okay, and next one, hemotrophism. Here, involvement of some chemicals. Chemicals involvement, they are showing some growth. So these are all the 5 types of trophism in the plant. Let me see there one by one. The first one, we are having a phototrophism. Yeah? So this is the first one, phototrophism. Here a phototrophism, movements of a plant towards the light. Here, just listen. This is the plant, and now this is the sunlight. Okay, and here a plant body. Now, who is the stimuli to be here? A sunlight. Sunlight is the stimuli. Okay. Here sunlight is a stimuli. So plant body enna panno? Just they are curved to that towards the sunlight and growed in this directions. So sunlight oda direction பொறுத்து அதோடைய மூவ்மெண்ட், தட் இஸ் ஓல் பாடியும் பெண்ட் பண்ணி சன்னோடைய ஸ்டிமுலியோட டைரக்ஷன்ல க்ரோ ஆகும். ஓகேமா, தட் இஸ் வாட் அ ஃபோட்டோட்ரோபிசம். ஹியர் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஆஃப் அ ஃபோட்டோட்ரோபிசம் பிளான்ட் பாடி இஸ் அ ஸ்டெம். Here they are having a one negative and positive geotrophism also. A positive geotrophism and negative geotrophism. What is geo la photo. Okay ma, what is a positive phototrophism? Plant body stimuli noki direction la grow ana, that is a positive. And negative, just opposite to the stimuli. Okay, here they are having a sunlight na, just they are growing this another direction, opposite direction, that is a negative phototrophism. Okay, so that's it for a phototrophism. And next one, we are having the geotrophism. Here geotrophism, I'm already said that geo, which means gravity. Here a growth. What they are indicating a growth? A plant growth. A growth of a plant towards the gravity. Okay, that is a what? A geotrophism. Just imagine this is the root of a plant. Okay, and here this is the plant body. And now geotrophism, gravity are usually present in the soil surface area. அப்போ root gravity நோக்கி, ஓகேமா, soil surface இருக்க gravity நோக்கி growth ஆகுச்சுனா, that is the positive geotrophism. Another thing, they are having another some plants also, some of the hylophytes. Hylophytes சில பிளான்ஸ் இருக்குது ஓகேவா. ஹைலோபைட்ஸ்னால் ரைசோபொரோசான்னு ஒரு பிளான்ட் இருக்குப்பா. சாரி, ரைசோபொரோசா பிளான்ட் இருக்குது. வாட் ஆர் நேச்சர்னா த ரூட்ஸ் ஆர் க்ரோவிங் இன் தட் upper to the soil surface area, just like this, upper to the soil surface. Usually when you are seeing the root are usually present in the terrestrial, below the terrestrial area, soil க்கு அடியில் இருக்கும் இல்லைங்களா. here just opposite to that a soil surface க்கு மேலே இருக்கும். so that this is the negative geotrophism அந்த கிராவிட்டிக்கு opposite direction இருக்காங்க. so that is the what, a negative geotrophism. so that's it for a geotrophism. and next one we are having the hydrotrophism. what is the next one? Hydrotrophism. here hydrotrophism, hydro, you know that is the water, yeah, growth. now a growth of a plant body towards the water area. okay, here they are having a lake, something, water surface area. usually as in the coconut root, just they are grow where they are water is presented. ஓகேம்மா, ட்ரீ எங்கேயோ இருக்கும், ஆனால் அதை ரூட் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா வாட்டர் சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியாவை நோக்கி இருக்கும், பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா. ஸோ யூஸ்வலி ஜஸ்ட் they are moved towards the water area. here a water is the stimuli, root are searching to the water, just grown to the directions. okay, that is the hydrotrophism. okay, here hydrotrophism are taken place in the root part. okay, so that's it for an hydrotrophism. they are having another opposite direction. if you go for an opposite direction, that is a negative, so this is the a positive hydrotrophism. so that's it for an hydrotrophism. Let me move on next one.